Do you know how to add oil to your machine? Do you know how to lubricate this machine? In this video series, I'll be telling you guys how to lubricate your machine, how to add oil to your machine. I'm your instructor for today. My name is Shinose Okori. Okay, there are two ways of adding oil in this Lockstitch machine. Many prefer the way of lifting your machine up and pour it like that, while some use this oil size window and pouring their machine. Okay, let me tell you the disadvantage of this raising it up. Okay, this is the inside view. This is the filter of the oil. This filters the oil. It's like a net. If you pour it from this side, from the oil side window, it will filter the oil in case the oil has some impurities that the machine will not like. So this will filter it out. But some prefer pouring it like this. It's still right, but it has not undergo the process of filtration, which we don't know the oil, whether the oil have some impurities that will damage the machine. I will encourage you to use that side, but there is nothing wrong in putting it like this. Okay, this is the oil indicator. It shows the oil level. This is high while this is low. It is advisable for you to keep it in between. Let it not be too high because it will waste your oil, than making it to be too low like this. So I'm going to add oil to this machine. Let me show you guys how to add it. Okay, let me place it here again. First of all, you need to screw this thing out, remove your plastic screw in this oil indicator. Then you get a funnel. You place it like this. Get your oil. Make sure you use a good oil, because some of the oil that we use in our machine can damage our machine for good. So it's advisable that we use a good oil. Then you pour it gently. When you are pouring it, always gauge, because there is oil here already, so I will not add much so that it will not be excess. When you are done, you close the oil. There are other parts that need lubrication, like this. Some of all these parts, they need lubrication. What you need is to open it, then you put a drop, just a drop. Don't add too much oil, just a drop of it is enough. Don't add too much oil in it. You open this, you add a drop. You don't need to add it too much, just a drop is enough, because it needs lubrication. All of these parts, they need lubrication. Just a drop is enough for anything that you are doing. Then you have to close it. That's all for this lubrication. So let's check the oil inside to know how. So see, the oil is coming out from the net after it has been filtrated. This is the filter here. Now see the oil. Now see the oil level. See the oil level now. It's in between low and high, so this is the most suitable area to place it. Always make sure you turn off your machine whenever you are adding this oil. It's also a preventive measure. Always turn off your machine. Okay, that's all for the oil, for putting the oil. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.